Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. From wherever you are watching me from, I go by the name at Brenda always. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I've just decided to take a lap on our farm. This is our farm, guys. These are our maize. They're not many, but yeah, these are now our maize. You know, since they were planted, I've never even come to see them until they have reached this stage. So today I've just decided to take a lap and take a look, because just the other day I had my mom and my dad discussing of the results, and they say that the maize, they are not good. As you can see, they are not that good. The rain have quite disappointed, but we thank God for this small harvest that we will do here. So as you can see, these are now our maize. Yeah, I spend most of the time at school, guys. I'm not usually at home because I'm still taking my studies at Kibit. So if it's your first time coming to this channel, consider by subscribing, like and share the video. Yeah, I'll be so grateful if you do so, guys, because I won't do this without your support. So these are our maize. You can see, guys, they're not that strong. Even though we are about to harvest, but we will not harvest that strong maize. I don't know if it's, yeah, we will not have that strong maize. They are very small, very, very small. But we hope for the best next time, for the next season. But for now, we'll just harvest because this is what God has decided to give us as a family. Yeah. So I'm just taking you around our farm to see. Hey, there are so many blackjacks. So guys, consider by subscribing, tune, like and comment. Leave a positive comment, because I'm just trying to be a content creator. A very big content creator. Yeah, this is now our farm. As you can see, our maize here. Yeah. Consider by subscribing. We don't take it for granted, because I know there are those who have planted and they have harvested nothing. So we are just grateful, very much grateful. I know this maize will be harvested around August there, if I'm not wrong. I just know they'll be harvested on August, and by August I'll be going back to school to finish now my studies, because I'm going to finish my studies early next year. At around March I'll be done with my school. But you know, ending of our course is not the end of studying. We will still proceed if it will be possible, guys. Now today I was not doing cleaning, because I know from my first 3 videos I've been just doing cleaning. But today I've just decided to take a walk, at least, so that even when someone asks me where is our farm, I will not be lost, because I rarely come in this place. But today I've just said, let me take a walk and see how it looks like. As you can see, it's just like 3 minutes, but all these are just blackjacks. So let me remove them. Let me just remove them. You know, if I won't remove when washing, these things usually hurt. When you are washing, your hands will be hurt. So I have to remove them because they are not hard to remove. And there are so many, and that's I've not even walked even a quarter of our farm, but they are like all over my sweatpants. So this is how we remove. As you can see, there are so many. Since these maize were planted, I don't even know when they were planted, because when they're being planted, I'm always at school, and when I come home, I find like maize are so big, maybe. So my work is just to like eat, but not eating. Since I'm about to finish, to exit from where I'm studying, there at Nairobi, I know I'll be even having time to come and like going to the farm and doing anything that I can do if possible, by God's will. Now I'm done with removing those black jacks. The other day I just saw my dad like telling someone to come and to come and to come and cut the branches that they were here. And as you can see, the place looks at least neat, and it has created space. Now I know next time he'll just extend. While planting his farm, he will extend. I don't know, but I'm just hoping, and I guess this place. No, this, by the way, used to be a road back then on 19th. This used to be the road, but just because of people have advanced and so on, now it was so bushy. No one can pass here. So, as you can see, this is not our farm, but this is government's road. You can easily, I know, they will just come and take care of this place. So, yeah, this is the place now. As you can see, the branches were burnt. Here are the ashes. And now you can easily pass here.
wake up with a weight I can't explain. Dreams feel distant, drowning in the rain.
Every step forward feels like I might break. Smiling outside, but inside I ache.
Ninaamka na mzigo moyoni, ndoto zangu zimefifia gizani. Kila hatua ni kama mapambano, nacheka juu, ndani ni maumivu tu.
Why does life feel like a losing game? Running in circles, nothing ever changes.
Mbona maisha ni kama vita visivyoisha?
Nazunguka tu, hakuna kinachobadilika. We carry scars no one can see. Broken souls trying to be free.
Through the highs and all the lows, still we walk this winding road. Tunabeba maumivu kimya kimya.
Roho zimechoka kutafuta njia,
kupanda na kushuka maisha haya, bado tunasonga bila kujua. I've seen hope fade in the darkest nights. Try to stand tall, but I lost the fight.
every promise turned into dust. Learning the hard way who to trust.
Nimeona tumaini likitoweka, usiku mrefu bila mwanga wake. Ahadi nyingi zimevunjika, ninaishi tu, najifunza kuvumilia.
Is there a place where the pain will end?
Or is this road just a means to bend?
Je, kuna mwisho wa mateso haya?
Au maisha ni kuvunjika tu kila mara?
We carry scars no one can see. Broken souls trying to be free.
Through the highs and all the lows, still we walk this winding road. Tunabeba maumivu kimya kimya.
Roho zimechoka kutafuta njia,
Kupanda na kushuka maisha haya, bado tunasonga bila kujua. Oh.
maybe one day the sun will rise
And dry the tears from weary eyes.
Labda siku moja mwanga utakuja na kufuta huzuni mioyoni mwetu.
But for now we stand in the rain,
Holding on through all the pain.
kwa sasa tuko chini ya mvua, tukishikilia hata bila mvua.
We carry scars no one can see.
Still searching for who we could be.
Through the highs and all the lows,
We are stronger than we know. Tunabeba maumivu kimya kimya.
lakini bado tunatafuta njia.
Kupanda na kushuka maisha haya, nguvu zetu ni zaidi ya tulivyodhani.
Step by step, we'll find our way. Hatua kwa hatua, tutafika tu siku moja.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in
wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you